Hello everyone, welcome back to Shine's Room. May I please have a microphone check, webcam check? Check, 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 no video? How's that? Video now? Peekaboo. What's up? No tie, that's right. No can see me. Yeah, video now. You reloaded? Okay, maybe you guys just need to reload. All right, everyone, welcome back to Shine's Room. Very interesting day. We started with the nice gap down this morning and just started climbing beautifully here today in the markets. Here's some thoughts. Here's some thoughts right now on the Greek trade, what is happening, and, where I possibly think, we play out from here. So we're going to start off. Sunday, the Greeks voters elected a party that wants to continue this program of international bailout loans that require these tremendously painful, at least in the citizens' views, painful budget cuts. So traders have basically been going back and forth for weeks that this radical leftist party would prevail and reject Europe's unpopular bailout plan. The next step that traders feared would be Greece's dropping out of the euro. Anxiety over a Greek exit was so pronounced that many expected the banks to run on Monday if the political anti-bailout parties had won the election, of course, the leftist side. Yet Greece's situation remains precarious. The anti-bailout party got a big chunk of the vote. There's also no guarantee whatsoever that the winners of this election will be able to form such said government. Elections a month earlier had not produced a governing coalition leading to Sunday's do-over. Many had expected stocks and other risky investments to rally on relief that the Conservative Party won, but the broader scope of Europe's financial burden soon overshadowed whatever breathing room this election provided. Safer investments rose, riskier ones fell, as traders this morning continued their long vigil for more permanent solutions in Europe. Leaders there are considering a centralized system of bank regulation and deposit insurance to complement proposals of closer economic coordination. So where are we going to go from here? I know Benja was talking about it last week. We're probably going to go right into the focus on Spain and Italy, both of which are going to require international help if they cannot convince these bond investors that their finances are sound. Greece, Ireland, Portugal, you remember, needed bailouts after their borrowing costs rose above 7%. It looks like this tiny little, it looks like Greece is on the verge of needing a bailout, but you are going to have to see these parties start working together, forming their ideas together and working towards the same goal. You have to remember the leftist party was very anti-bailout, wanted to destroy this bailout contract to begin with. So now all eyes are going to still be on Greece to see if they can finally resolve and agree on producing this government. Remember, this is going to be based on the number of chairs that are in their parliament. All of these groups are going to have to work together. No one side had a dominating vote. So there's a very mixed bag. People are butting heads with each other over there. They need to come up with some form of solution. Otherwise, this is going to always be in the fear for international worries. Just a little bit of a story for, more of, taking actors, and we're going to talk about how luck favors those who help themselves. And just one of the ideas coming into this morning was able to get out. I didn't make more than a few $1,000s on this play. I was hoping to make a lot more, but we just got that small gap down in the morning. Maybe we head down lower here after I took just about all my puts off the table, with the exception of a couple FXC. But here is how luck favors those who help themselves. So there was this flood that was threatening this small town, and everybody was leaving for safety except for one man who said, "God will save me. I have faith." Sound like any traders, As the water level rose, a Jeep came by to rescue him. The man said, God will save me. I have faith. I'm going to stay right here. The water level rose further. He went up to the second story of his house, and a boat came by to help him. Again, he refused to go. God will save me. I have faith. The water kept rising and rising, and the man is sitting on his roof. A helicopter came by to rescue him, but he said, God will save me. I have faith. Well, finally, guess what happened to the man? Well, he drowned. When he reached his maker, he angrily questioned, I had complete faith in you. Why did you ignore my prayers and let me drown? You know what his reply was? Who do you think sent you the Jeep, the boat, and the helicopter? The only way to overcome the fatalistic attitude in trading is to accept responsibility and to believe in the laws of cause and effect rather than luck. This is what it's going to take to turn around in a market such as this. It takes action, preparation, and planning rather than any waiting, wondering, or wishing to accomplish anything in this market, let alone life as well. So hope that just gave you a little insight into what I'm seeing right now. Still more worries in Greece, still looking at your triple Qs. Beautiful breakout out of the descending channel resistance. You see here today, overhead daily resistance at 63.38 did bust through. We're looking at 63.78 now as our new level of overhead daily resistance going back to May 16, 2012 right here on the chart. So it's a very nice look here of what's happening in the market. This could be a very bullish close. Just going to quickly go over a couple of the plays, and by couple I'm going to go over 5 plays that really stood out on my radar today. Rosetta Genomics, welcome to Shine's Room for all those new here. Was one of the 10 plays today for a long trigger above 10 with the first and second targets 1068 and 1153, and we did exceed my expectations and now broke through this descending channel resistance right here. So again, very important today that the stock tries to close above 1150 to 1160. I would like to see a close above there to have that confirmation that we're out of that descending channel on those daily bars. I'm going to take a look at Verifone systems right here. Take a look at those sweet little triggers there in PAY. That's Peter Alpha Yankee 3154. This was your first trigger here this morning, and it just exploded, and there was even a second one, and it's obviously trading at day highs right now. It was a very nice look there. How about Zynga this morning above 560? What a nice entry to try to place an order in this stock, and you could just see major support at that 560 level right over there, representing overhead daily resistance today, and the stock did scream above $6 and is now digesting on a beautiful bull flag on the 5-minute pattern. Also, Broad Vision was watching this one above 1336. Was a nice little sweet quick trade, as not even 5 minutes later, stock does explode to 1419. Just a tremendous percentage bounce on a 5-minute candle nonetheless. And last but not least, Melnick through 68.48. Stock opened 68.45. Triggers. Shoots up $2, pulls back, digests, never hits day lows, and then it continues to proceed to the upside. Stock trading hit a day high of 72.08. Don't forget on this stock right here, MLNX, that you are making fresh 52-week and all-time highs with the name. If you want to give yourself ascending channel resistance, you're probably looking all the way up at right around $73.15 for that ascending channel resistance line on the daily of MLNX. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day here. Happy trading, make money. I will see you guys on the live trading broadcast.